Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel the body firm subscription, or you can say like membership. If you have taken any kind of membership with this brand like the body firm, then how you can cancel. So the cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply call on this number. The number you can see on your screen. So you can see over here, this is the number. You can cancel your auto delivery services at any time by contacting customer service via chat or via on this number. You need to call on this number. This is the best and easy way. And once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription or membership. You need to provide some information related to membership, like your account number, your Gmail address, and your subscription starting date and end date, and whatever they want. Okay, they will ask you some questions. You need to verify your, you can say like, identity, and they will cancel your subscription. But make sure you need to ask a proof of cancellation, otherwise maybe you can say like they will charge you. Okay, and if we talk about like what are the precautions, you should cancel your subscription before the next billing date, otherwise you have to pay a full month subscription fee. Okay, so my dear friend, this is the best and easy way. You just need to simply call on this number and you can cancel your membership or subscription very easily. Okay, so if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.